Good morning, students. 12th standard Biozoology, Unit 3, Chapter 7. Unit 3, Chapter 7, Immunodeficiency Disease. Immunodeficiency Disease. Then AIDS. So, what is the meaning of immunodeficiency disease? If the microorganisms enter into the human body, our immune system, so they become to damage. So the immune system is become to disintegrated. So it is called due to the deficiency of immune system, they produce a disease. So different kinds of disease. So it is called autoimmune disease. So one example is AIDS. So autoimmune systems, one or more component of the immune system. So the failure of one or more component of immune system. So they become to damage. Damage. Primary immunodeficiency. Primary immunodeficiency. Primary immunodeficiency is caused by a genetic development. Genetic is a development. So based upon the genetic character, so they become the defect. The genetic development is become the defect. It's a primary immunodeficiency. Secondary immunodeficiency. So the deficiency arises to the various reasons like radiation, some of the chemicals. So they have immunosuppressive drugs and they have some infection. Is the secondary immunodeficiency mainly caused by radiation. Is a primary immunodeficiency, then secondary immunodeficiency. Then, so the AIDS. So the AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So the immune system is become defective after the childbirth. So they gaining a loss of immune system. So during the lifetime, they obtain the deficiency of immune system. It is called acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So the AIDS is caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. So the HIV means the human immunodeficiency virus. Then virus, they selectively to infect. So the HIV, they are infected by T lymphocytes. In the human body, they are consist of two lymphocytes. One is called T lymphocyte, other one is called B lymphocytes. So the HIV, so directly to affect the T lymphocytes. So they infected the T helper cell, or also they have infected the helper T cells. It's also affected the helper T cells. So this helper T cell will cannot stimulate the antibody production. So will not stimulate the antibody production by the beta cell. are the B cells. So the B cell cannot produce the antibody. So the loss of natural defense against the viral infection. So the natural defense mechanism, so again the virus will become the failure. On this basis of the genetic characteristic and the difference of the viral antigen, so the HIVs are two types of HIV, HIV1 and they have in a HIV2. There are two types. One is called a HIV1, then HIV2, based upon the genetic character and also their differences. The structure of HIV, so the HIV. So the immunodeficiency virus belongs to the genus. So genus is called lentivirus. So lentivirus. So belongs to the genus or lentivirus. When observed the electron microscope, so they have observed in the electron microscope the HIVs are they have a spherical in shape. Spherical, so in shape. So the diameter is 100 to 400, so 120 nanometer in diameter. So the diameter of the spherical body is 100 to 120 nanometer. So they contain the dense core. Dense core is surrounded by lipoprotein. The center core is surrounded by envelope is called in a lipoprotein envelope. So the envelope has, they have in a glycoprotein. So the envelope have, so they have in a, so the glycoprotein in spike with GP. Glycoprotein, so they have in a GP. Thus termed as the two type of glycoprotein. One is called a GP41 and GP41 and they have in 120. Here the spherical envelope, so they have in a small structure, it is called in a 41, GP41. So the terminal region, they have in a small cap-like structure, it is called a GP120. GP, they have in a 120. There are two single-strand RNAs are present. So the next point, two single-strand RNA are present in the center core region. So the attached to the RNA, so the molecules, they have in another enzyme is called a reverse transcriptase enzyme. So the contains, so they have in a reverse, so they have in a RNA, the reverse transcriptase is attached to the RNA. Reverse transcriptase enzyme is also they contain the enzyme like proteinase. So they have to dissolve the protein, they act on the protein in the ribonuclease. So the enzymes are present in the center core, ribonuclease. The core is covered by capsid. So the core, the center part is surrounded by capsid. So the capsid, they have a protein coat. So the protein coat. This is followed by the another layer of matrix protein. Another layer is called a matrix protein. So these are the structure of, so they have a human virus, human immunodeficiency virus. Thank you very much, students.